This is what comes with your Yeti 400. Of course, the beautiful Yeti 400. Your wall charger. This goes into here to charge into your wall. And this is a legacy adapter for older Goal Zero solar panels. Like the little brother, the Yeti 150, the Yeti 400 has a lot going on. But first and foremost, your input. This is how you recharge it. Plug in solar panels or the wall charger that comes included to recharge your Yeti 400. Here's your 12 volt section. Turns on and off with the switch right there. There's your traditional 12 volt, and these are for things like Goal Zero lights. This is the USB area. Comes with 2 USBs, which is nice. Charge your cell phone, charge your tablet at the same time. The next section over is your AC 110 inverter. As you can see, when that's on, it's using a little bit of power, so be careful. But go ahead and plug in whatever you want, laptops, things like that. It's got a pure sine wave, so it's just like the wall. The Yeti 400 has an upgraded display. Not only does it tell you how much battery you have left, it also tells you how much power you're getting and how much power you're using, so you can be more efficient with your power. Last thing is the display button. This turns the light of the display on and off so you can see it at night.